वर्ल्ड बैंक के तखमीने के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान की मईशत $2 ट्रिलियन तक पहुंच सकती है। बरतानवी हाई कमिश्नर मैरिट ने अहम पेशगोई कर दी। इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब में पाकिस्तान और बरतानिया की बाहमी तजारत को 4.4 से 10 अरब पाउंड तक ले जाने का अज़म जाहिर किया। मैरिट ने एतराफ़ किया कि माशी इस्तेहकाम के लिए हुकूमती इक़दाम का IMF भी एहतराम करता है।
The UK believes there is significant potential for greater trade and investment, as I said, driven by Pakistan's large youthful population, its strong entrepreneurial foundations, its location at the centre of global trade routes, more important now than ever, and its incredible natural resources. No wonder then that with some policy reforms in place, the World Bank estimates that Pakistan's economy could grow fivefold to $2 trillion by 2047. Pakistan's commitment to realising this potential is also increasingly evident. The economy has been stabilised, as shown by the positive statements and staff-level agreement reached with the IMF on its first review and the ongoing EFF programme. The upgrading by Fitch of Pakistan's credit rating to B- is also an acknowledgement of Pakistan's strong and persistent efforts in the field.